As you enter through the front door of the Holden, you walk into the hallway, which is a decent size in terms of width and length. There's plenty of room for coat and shoe storage as well as a console table. This house is a handed version of the plan, so the smaller reception room is off of the hallway to the left. Here it is styled as a study, which is great for working from home. However, it could serve as a playroom, snug or another room that meets your needs. On the right side of the hallway is the main living room. It has a bay window, which is a nice design feature, and it is light, bright and large enough to suit the needs of most families. Opposite the living room and next to the stairs is a large cloakroom which has its own window for natural light and ventilation. The understairs storage cupboard is also located in this room. At the end of the hallway is the open plan kitchen diner with large double doors leading to the garden. There is a vast amount of storage space in the kitchen, leaving countertops clear of clutter, and there is also enough room for an island to be installed. The dining space is big enough for a table that seats 8 to 10 people. The utility room leads off of this area and has more storage and countertop space, as well as the boiler and its own door to access the garden. Upstairs gets natural light filtering through as there is a window at the top of the stairs. The bonus or the smallest room has space for a single bed and additional items of furniture. The family bathroom is spacious and has a separate shower so that it is more accessible. Bedroom 2 is a bit of an odd shape due to accommodating the depth of the showers in the bathroom and the main bedroom's ensuite. One alcove does create a cosy little nook by the window that could house a desk or dressing table, and then the one on the other side is ideal for a wardrobe to slot into. The heat pump cylinder is between the two largest rooms. The main bedroom is large enough for a king-size bed, a decent amount of wardrobe space, and additional pieces of furniture. There is a door that leads to the ensuite, which has a large shower in it and its own window, again for natural light and ventilation. The final room in this house is bedroom 3. It is a reasonable sized double room with lots of natural light coming through the two windows that look out onto the front of the property. you.